I have tested dozens of animation tools, and in this video I'm sharing my top 6 favorite ones. Why does he look like me? I'll also explain what each tool does best so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you how I use all of them for free. Let's dive in. The first AI software that I use is Pixverse, a versatile AI tool designed for generating animations from images. For this video, I will be animating this picture of a cyberpunk city and make it alive. Head to Google and type in Pixverse, click on it. With the free plan, you get 60 credits upfront and 30 daily. Pixverse also offers 3 styles to choose from: anime, 3D animation, and clay. This is mostly useful if you're animating a text, not this time though. Change this to quality, adjust the duration to 5 or 8 seconds, choose your aspect ratio. I will keep it normal instead of performance. You can also add a character of your choice to animate, but I found it to be not that accurate. Now let's put this software to the test. I uploaded my picture and added a simple prompt to animate cars moving while keeping the camera position fixed. Click generate and wait for a few minutes. The quality is not that great, so we will upscale the video for 10 credits. The quality isn't the best, but it's still impressive. I find Pixverse to excel at simple animations, though it struggles a bit with more complex ones. That said, it's still a fantastic tool. My next tool is Video AI, and it's a better option for creating animations. However, unlike Pixverse, it's not as easy to use. In Video AI, crafting the right prompts is absolutely crucial to getting the animation you envision. It's more advanced but requires a bit more effort and precision. Head over to Video. We will test this gorilla driving animation. Once you sign up, you get 80 free credits, with each animation costing 4. I also added an end frame to help Video understand better. For the movement amplitude, I suggest you keep it auto or medium. For the prompt, I will add this. Hit generate and wait for a minute. Now I will show you what I meant by saying Video is very reliant on prompts. We'll just remove the word light and check the results. And just like that, the whole animation is ruined. My third tool is Runway, one of the most recognized animation platforms, but does it really live up to the hype? Yes, it does. However, personally, I don't think it's the best compared to some of the other tools I'll be introducing. But let's dive in and see what it has to offer. Sign up for Runway to get 125 free credits, with each animation costing just 25. We will be animating the cyberpunk city image, as it's a very complicated and tough scene to work with. Now, Pixverse handled it very smoothly, but it lacked some quality. Let's see what Runway is capable of. I added the image and put this prompt right here. The generation time is the quickest out of all tools. Pick 5 or 10 seconds and hit generate. Perfect handling. Honestly, I can't think of any cons for Runway. It's incredibly well-rounded and definitely worth paying for. But as promised, I'll also show you how to use it for free. For most tools, you can simply create a new account using temporary emails and reset your free credits each time. However, Runway is a bit smarter. It detects that kind of activity, so you can't do that. But don't worry, Xano's got you covered. Here's the workaround. Head over to this website that offers temporary emails that function like real ones. Make sure to select an email ending with gmail.com. This way, it works just like a regular email. With this method, you can create unlimited Runway accounts and enjoy it for absolutely free. It's definitely worth the hustle. Next is Hyper AI. Xano, that's not the right character. Anyways, those Hyper Animals videos you see all over TikTok, well, most of them were animated with this tool. It delivers high quality and smooth, simple animations. Now, Hyper does lack when it comes to animating complicated images like the cyberpunk city. As you can see, it's not that good. Now head over to Hyper AI. We will be animating this gorilla drinking with a view. He's just a chill guy. Head over to Hyper, free 100 credits, pick your picture and make sure to put the model 2.1. Adjust the duration between 4 and 6. Add a prompt, then hit generate. I would say Hyper has good quality output, but lacks in the motion side. This next tool is seriously underrated, and in my opinion, has even greater potential than Runway. But real quick, if you want to learn from someone with an AI master's degree and over 7 years of experience, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So this tool is Luma AI. It's not very popular, but it's absolutely incredible with so much potential. Let me show you. Head over to Luma AI, where you get 3 credits to experiment with. The only downside is the lack of settings for control. Just upload your picture, add a prompt, and you're good to go. Look at how smooth the animation is. It's clear why I think it might be better than Runway. Animation-wise, Luna AI stands out as the superior choice, delivering unmatched details. However, when it comes to pure visual quality, Runway may have a slight edge. Runway also offers better control over your animations, allowing for more precise adjustments compared to AI tools that rely solely on prompts. However, if you know how to craft the right prompts, this limitation becomes much less of an issue. The last tool is Kling. You get plenty of credits for free. We will be animating one of the toughest images to pull off. I already tested all the pictures and Kling handled them very well. It also has a lot of features like the motion brush and camera movement. I would say this tool is for professional animations, as it might be overwhelming for beginners. I can also use professional mode 4 times, but I will use the standard mode now, since I want 10 seconds for my duration. The quality is exceptional, with incredibly smooth movement. This tool is definitely one of my top favorites. I don't have any cons for this software. Besides, it might be overwhelming if you're a beginner. But before you go, I want to let you in on something exciting. I'm working on a big project that's going to change the game for you guys. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Zeno is out. Peace.